Anthony, can I get what you're drinking?
I'm just frustrated.
Oh, this is so strong. So what's bothering you? You can tell me, I'm very good at listening.
Alright, you tell me why a woman will love a man, but yet they would another man get pregnant for you and still they with the next man. Like, tell me how that makes sense, eh?
Forget about her. She's stupid. See, there's a smile.
Yeah, I guess you're right.
Andy hasn't been paying much attention to me either. So I kinda know what you're going through. I feel so lonely all the time. I have no one to talk to.
Really? Whenever things are so Andy would have gone, him seem like him really in love with you. Like, you try to talk to him about how you feel.
Hey, how about I make you an next drink?
Alright man, that sounds cool.
Trust me, you're gonna love it. What do you guys say? Break it down? You're gonna break it down when you drink this?
No man I broke it down at a woman.
This is such a nice room. It's so cozy. Are you enjoying your drink? Mwah. Andy doesn't drink anymore. He stopped. He's so boring. But you're fun. I like how you are.
Yeah man, that room there really cozy for true.
Oh my god, Anthony. You're so strong.
Junior, this I don't know what it look like, alright? We just drink too much rum and I hardly remember what even happened. Really? Why you fell asleep with your brother wife, my yo, daddy? What type of slap thing that man? Junior, just keep this between me and you, alright? You don't have to tell nobody what happened, okay?
Oh my god, that was so great. I mean, compared to your brother, you are amazing, Anthony.
Yo, just relax yourself, alright? Listen, me and you gotta pretend like none of this never happened, okay? We can't mess up everything already. We just come here, alright? This was an accident. Do not tell it to nobody.
I won't tell a soul. Calm down. I really enjoyed myself.
Today's a real good day, my brother. You what you saw people. That was sweet you saw. Mama cook your favorite again. Oxtail with curry. Oh man, it's not that. I swear. No man, it's Karen. She just came in my room and jumped me. What do you mean by jump you? She jump on top of you and bounced on the bed. What's up play with you? Oh man, she just took out my body and she just rode me. I mean, she was already wet and everything, man. It was such a turn on. Like, I really enjoyed it. She never did anything like that before. She was so happy. I've never seen her that happy before. And I just love her. She is so beautiful. I wanna have more kids with her, man. A son. You sure about that? I mean, you're not fair. Rush nothing, dog. I mean, you already have a daughter. You don't want a bugger. Pitney, trust me. It's not nice. Just wait a little bit longer until at least when your daughter a teenager or something, you know? So, what else? Oh, not much. I got a new job opportunity. So, eventually, me and Karen can get to move out of mom and dad's house. We can rent our own apartment. Yeah, man, that sounds really good. Good for you, dog. Good for you. Yeah, I'm so excited. We can finally get to move out of here. So, Junior's gonna start a private school tomorrow. I hope he enjoys it. It's a really nice school. There's not even a lot of kids there. But they just want to focus on a small amount of kids. So I will not talk over here. So Andy, tell him what we're talking about. Dad, you ever just like have you ever had a woman just made your whole day special? Yeah, man, real special. Andy, tell Daddy about the opportunity now and stop chat about girl. Daddy, Andy have some great news to tell you. Tell him now, Andy. Well, Dad, I got the job offer, so we'll be moving about next month or so. Oh, that. Oh, uno now feel rush. Uno can't stay here look longer. Come on, man. This is a family unit. We work better as a team. Yeah, that's right, Dad. But I want my own space. You know, I want to grow my own business, have a couple more kids, and I don't want to burden you and Mom no more. Exactly, Mom. Your mommy and daddy, they want to do things now. Wanna not burning me, trust me. Me alright. Me like how things are going right now. Me feel, honey, do what's best for you. I will, Mom. I'm gonna make all of these odds still in when I watch your school.
Oh, you must be the new student. Class, this is Anthony. He just came in from Jamaica.
All my friends call me Junior.
Alright, class, I will be stepping out for a bit, so you go on reading. Hi, my name is Sabrina. You're from Jamaica? I love Jamaica. Back last year, I went to Negril with my family. It was so fun.
Yeah, well, my family is from Portmore, Jamaica.
Portmore, isn't that where Five's cartel is from? Oh my god, I love him so much. Anyways, I'll see you later, Junior. Hi. We never got to talk much, but I wanted to ask you a few questions and I wanted to greet you properly. How we greet new students at the school.
No, man, that good, me alright. I mean, you just saying hi to me is enough for me. You don't have to do nothing special. So what's going on with you?
I just wanna do this.
Oh, so I wanna really greet people at this school.
Well, not everybody. That's how I greet people at this school, especially someone as cute as you. You are handsome.
Thanks. I really appreciate it.
I love your accent. It's so sexy.
You're just full of compliments, huh? I'm not gonna lie, I'm feeling really welcome here already. This is a nice school.
Junior, come sit with me.
Wow, everyone here is friendly.
Oh my god, Brittany, you're so...
Hi.
Don't pay Sabrina any mind. She has a boyfriend. Right, Sabrina? Oh my god, why do you have to tell him that for? So unlike me, she's unavailable. I can date anybody I please. We only been going out for like a month. It's not even serious. You're such a hater, Brittany. I mean, why you even come over here? I don't know, it's maybe because you're acting like a slut. OMG, I am not a slut. I mean, if it walks like a slut, talk like a slut, it's a slut. I'd rather be a slut than a virgin. Hi, I'm Terry. My god, why don't you guys just go away? I was talking to the new boy first. Yeah, Sabrina, but you have a boyfriend. That's the difference between you and us. It's only been a month. You're acting like we're married. I'm not married. I can talk to whoever I want to talk to. Then break up with him if you want to talk to whoever you want to talk to.
Ladies, it's not that serious. Una can talk to me. I don't mind being on a friend and talking to all alone. We can meet in the library.
Billy, I don't want to go in the library. I'm tired. Stop forcing me to do stuff I don't want to do. I'm not in the mood. You should go back to class. Last time you almost got me in trouble. Okay? Just leave me alone.
Okay, you're playing hard to get, I see. That's fine. I'll take you out tomorrow. Me and you can go to my daddy's ranch and ride the horses. My father bought a brand new stallion, a black stallion horse.
I don't want to ride your stallion, Billy. I already see a stallion right here.
Aren't we gonna go to class now? Are you gonna skip?
Let's skip. I want to show you something.
Alright, cool.
I really like you a lot.
But you have a boyfriend. Why would you?
There you are, Junior. I was looking all over for you. I wanted to ask you something. I've been practicing dancing and I want to get your opinion on how good I am. You ready?
Come on, do your thing. Alright. Yeah.
Was I good?
Yeah, man, you really did do something. Nice.
I stayed up all night watching Spice's videos. She's really good. I really like her. So, how do you say that word that you do when you curse?
Oh, you mean, bumbleclad? That word you talk about? We're not really gonna say it out of nowhere, so, don't use it at a random time.
Bumbleclart, right? Oh my god. Okay, I said it right, didn't I? You are so cool. You're like the coolest guy here. I can't wait till you hang out some more. I'm gonna Bluetooth you my number. Mwah.
Alright, thanks. Mwah.
Bye, Junior.
Yeah, bye. Listen, I want you to stop talking to my girlfriend. Okay? Stay away from my girlfriend or else. Or else what? Mayu, are you a girl? Come talk to me. What did you just say? I don't understand. Speak English. Stay away from my girl. But push me? I want to hear, yo, go on boy your business, alright? Me not have to speak in English for you to understand my tone of voice. Nobody know why you girl, okay? Move from yourself. Through your girl, depend me, you move the most way. Ease yourself. For me get a rough pie, you know, you don't know me. You think me one of them idiot boy in that school, yeah? You don't know me.